going on? It's Mike with Mike's Auto Detailing. This is I'm gonna show you step by step how I do the maintenance details. This car has been ceramic coated December of 2020. As you can see, I just foamed it up, and here it is in 2023. It's still rejecting foam almost 2.5 years later. I've been maintaining this car pretty much at least once a month, sometimes twice a month. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I maintain this vehicle. First thing I do is I'm gonna wash it pretty good, do a thorough wash. I use the Detail Firm exterior lather soap. I'm gonna wash it down, and then once I'm done washing it, dry it off, and then do some type of maintenance spray on it.
All right, Mike, so I see you're using 2 scrubbers, pads.
Yes, sir.
Why is that?
Because one hand can do, like mainly when I'm up high, one pad can go low. When I can go down here with one pad can go up high, so I don't cross-contaminate stuff.
Got it. And does that save you a lot of time?
Yes, I don't have to go back and forth. Then when I'm done, I can just flip it, and then I can do it again on another panel. I don't have to keep running back to my bucket. That's what I like about these pads. They work really, really well. They're also available on my website at detailedepot.co.
So you're switching, what is it called, wands or?
Yeah, so this one will let me get up high and I can pivot. So I can get on the lower side, I can shoot up. So I don't have to bend over. Yeah. And then when I'm up high, I can shoot down. Yeah. Works pretty good when you got a swivel and everything else. I don't have to worry about kinking nothing. Works pretty good. Hey. I like it. I've already switched to my spotless water. Now, so that I'm rinsing, I don't have to worry about drying so fast, which works pretty good. All right, so if you're curious about the spotless system, you can check out the other video, and I'll have a link for it up here for you.
All right, Mike, after rinsing the car off, what do you do next?
Just gonna add a little protection on it, just on top of the protection.
And I see you use that blower. That's just to get most of the water out?
Yeah, because I don't have to use a drying towel. I can just come back with a little towel and just add a little sealant or protection on there. Yeah, because the less rubbing or towels I have to use, the less marring will happen. Makes it easier. There's a little small towel and a little air hose now, and just mix and get it all done. Makes it a lot easier for me. Which now I'm just gonna use just probably use some Defender from PNS and a little towel and finish it up. Be done in 15 minutes.
So Mike, you're only doing exterior on this maintenance?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why not interior too?
Normally, I do the interior exterior, but he's low on funds today. He just wants the outside done. So I told him I'll do it. He's just a solo driver, so when I open it up, it's pretty clean.
Oh,
it's not bad.
So you feel like he doesn't need an interior?
No. Normally I would do it inside and out, but it's at a certain price. He didn't have that certain price today because he's in between checks at the moment. So
is this a package you offer to other maintenance clients, or because he's special?
This price that he's at was at when I first got my license. I had a certain price. My price has gone up since, but he stayed at that price ever since. So
kind of like grandfathered in.
Yeah, he's been grandfathered in, and since he comes so often, I've probably seen this car over 20 times probably. So, and it's so maintained, it's worth it for me. He does a good job on keeping it clean himself. I've given him some stuff to keep it clean in between.
All right, Mike, so you're done with the detail?
Yes, sir.
What's the last thing you do?
Have the customer go over the car. That's the last thing I'm doing, making sure he's happy. This guy, he likes to nitpick everything, so I gotta make sure he's happy. And he always leaves the key in the car too, so every time I wipe the car, he always goes beeping at me. But he's always a happy camper.